Hey, everyone. In today's video, I will venture into something new on my channel, which is about learning something new. Today, I'm going to explain the mushrooms in Plants vs. Zombies, and whether it exists in real life or not. Let's begin, y'all. The first mushroom is Puffshroom. In the game, Puffshroom attacks a zombie in a short distance during the night, and it's also the cheapest plant in the game. In real life, there are two purple mushrooms that resemble Puffshroom. One is Calvaceous iathiformis, and the other is Cordonarius violaceus. Calvaceous iathiformis is a large purple mushroom that has purplish or purple-brown spores. They can be found in North America and Australia. Usually, they're found in prairie and grasslands environment, meaning that the environment that they live in have a lot of bushes, shrubs, and grass. And there is not enough rainfall to form a forest. It has a chocolate cake look when it finally matures. Cordonarius violaceus is a dark purple mushroom that has caps and gills underneath it. It has a smell of the cedar wood. They can be found in North America, Europe, and Asia. It grows among trees that are about to shed its leaves and likes acidic soil. The second mushroom is the sunshroom. It's an alternative to the sunflower in the game, and it's way cheaper to produce the sun during the night. In real life, there are mushrooms that like the sun and yellow-colored. The mushroom that likes the sun is called king stropharia. It grows throughout the summer and fall. It can be found on wood chips in North America, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. This mushroom reportedly had been said to have a taste of potato and red wine. The gills under the cap turns lilac gray when it's ready to be harvested. The yellow-colored mushroom is called flowerpot parasol mushroom. It grows in potted plants. It is poisonous to humans and canines, but not to the potted plants. It prefers warm and moist surroundings. It also can appear in greenhouses. The third mushroom is the fume shroom. In the game, it attacks zombies 4 steps ahead in a limited range by spraying fumes. In real life, exists a mushroom that releases a cloud of spores just like fume shroom. It is called puffballs. It grows in meadows, fields, and forests. They can be found in North America, Malaysia, Brazil, and United Kingdom. The fourth mushroom is hypnoshroom. In the game, it makes a zombie as your ally after one of them eats it. In real life, although a rainbow-colored mushroom doesn't exist, a magic or psilocybin and psilocin mushroom that hypnotize you does exist. This particular mushroom, if ingested, could cause a person to hallucinate by seeing things that aren't there or hearing colors. They can cause dizziness, anxiety, and fear. It also can cause side effects to the body like muscle weakness, increased heart rate, and a sense of numbness on the face. This mushroom grows in meadows and woods, in soils that is rich in humus and plant debris. They can be found in Mexico, Asia, Europe, Africa, and Australia. The fifth mushroom is Scaredy shroom. In the game, the Scaredy shroom attacks in a long distance like pea shooter, but would hide away in fear when the zombies are close. In real life, there is no mushroom that hides away from humans, but there is a mushroom that has structures that expose small visibility to the human eyes. It's called the death cap mushroom. It's a poisonous mushroom that can cause kidney and liver damage. The base of this mushroom are sometimes partially buried in the soil and hidden by leaf litter, making it harder to spot them. It has a smell of ammonia, and it grows near the oak trees during autumn. They can be found in Ireland, mainland Europe, and United Kingdom. The sixth mushroom is ice shroom. In the game, the ice shroom is an ice bomb. It would explode as soon as the player plants on the ground and freeze all the zombie regardless of range. In real life, there's a mushroom that grows during the winter season. It's called chaga. Chaga grows in the mature trunks of birch trees. Its roots are grown in the tree and expands itself outwards over time. It has a charred look and bulges like a big mass on the tree. It can be found in Russia, Alaska, and Canada. It also can be found in the United States. They can be made into a tea or coffee. The seventh mushroom is Doom shroom. In the game, the Doom shroom is another bomb in the game. It explodes on a large area of the ground and leaving a crater afterwards. In real life, although a deadly black mushroom doesn't exist, a mushroom that releases a poisonous purplish-black spores does exist. It's called common earthball, a mushroom that looks like a potato. If you're a potato lover, please do not eat this. It grows in acidic and sandy soils among short grasses throughout autumn and winter. If ingested, it can cause gastrointestinal distress, both to humans and animals. Its spores can cause runny nose and pink eye. It can be found in Europe and North America. The eighth mushroom is sea shroom. In the game, sea shroom attacks zombies in short range, much like the puff shroom, but it can only be planted in the pool. In real life, believe it or not, two mushrooms that have adapted to the seawater were found in 2023. It was found in the Shiwan Mangrove Park and Gulf Island Mangrove Park in Guangdong Province, China. The mushroom is often found on the deadwood of soneraceae trees, a species of mangrove tree with low depth of water and high tide. The water down below was found to be littered with its PGI fragments. They are called Candylomyces, Basidiomycota, and agaricales. Now, if you don't know what a PGI is, don't worry, I'm here to tell you. A PGI is Pileus glebe-intervale complex. It's like a safe room for the hymenium, which is a surface for spores to be produced, to incubate and produce spores when it floats on the seawater. This particular mushroom is submerged in the water, sometimes due to the high tides, but it was found that its growth wasn't stopped. When the mushroom matured and gotten bigger on the dead tree, the mushroom then would drop to form PGI. Eventually, the PGI would float on the sea and spread its spores across the water, or it would get eaten by a fish. This quickens the spreading of the mushroom as its wall is thick enough to survive inside the fish's stomach. Thus, the spores survive and invade new places. Its edibility is unknown to humans, but there are animals found to consume it like crabs, fish, sea snails, and mudskippers. The ninth mushroom in the game is gloom shroom. It attacks in a shorter range than the puff shroom, where it shoots fumes around its range. Although it has the shortest range of all the mushroom, it deals a large damage to the zombies. In real life, exists a mushroom that has a lot of holes in its cap. It's called Morchella. It has a honeycomb appearance on its cap. It can be found in North America, Turkey, China, the Himalayas, India, and Pakistan. The Morchella usually grows under trees like oak, elm, and apple. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. What video should I do next?